Hi, this is Steve from Tropic Heating and PatioHeat.com. We're just going to go over a couple of the identifications of pilots for Sunpak, and this one over here is a Sun Glow, but just kind of showing some of the differences on some of the parts that you need to order specifically with the Sunpak. So these are Sunpak pilot assemblies, and this particular one on the right here is for the standard Sunpak. This is either the S25 or S34, and this one here is for the TSH model. So it does have a different tubing design, and you can see that tubing design here is different. And then also, more importantly, the way it connects to the heater itself, the valve. So what I want you to see is that it has a compression nut here, and it's similar to the Sun Glow compression nut. However, you can see that there's a difference in reference to the distance of the nut itself. So how tall this is here. Let's see if I can get that correctly. And you can see here, whoops, this. I'm trying it with one hand, so I apologize for that. But there we go. It's about the size of the nut right there. Let's go ahead and look at this one, and you can see the difference there. So that is the main part, is the difference between the height of the nut itself. And so you don't ever want to use the Sun Glow one on the TSH pilot. And then, of course, the standard Sunpak S25 and S34 utilizes the ferrule and nut here. So this would go on first, and then this would go on afterwards, and then you would put that onto the valve itself. Also, just to see that, you know, there's another ferrule nut that comes with the actual pilot assembly for the Sunpak and the TSH, and that's attached already. That's this one here. It's much taller than these two over here. So essentially there are three different kinds of compression nuts, and for the Sunpak, however, there's only the two, one that goes up here on both, and then different ferrule and nut that goes on the standard and the short compression nut that goes on the TSH. All right, I hope that's helped. Thank you.